Now we have to make a crankshaft, so we should to take a protrusion and take a parallel plane to this one, and how much it should to be 50 mm. Okay, now we have to take a circle without any specific dimension. Okay, and now should to return. Okay, we should to return how much thickness, 20 mm. Okay, okay, now again take protrusion at this face. Okay, and take circle. We should take a circle here. Okay, now return. How much it should to be of how much, 40 mm. 40. Okay, now again take protrusion at this face. Okay, we should to fit this one and take a circle of first circle equal. Okay, and return. How much it should be also 20. Okay, now again we should take a protrusion at this face and take a small circle. Okay, and return. How much it should to be, 100 mm. Okay, now again take protrusion at which face, it should to be at this face. Okay, and take a circle. Still take a circle. This much, and that we should run again. Okay, and that's all should be 100 mm. Okay, now you can take also another protrusion at this face and take a small circle. Okay, and return. Should to be 20 mm. Protrusion at this face. Take a circle. Okay, and return. 20 mm. Okay, also now again take protrusion, but it should to be at this face. Okay, so take a circle. Okay, and return 20 mm. Okay, so this is our required crankshaft. We can rotate it. Okay, thank you.